Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to do an unboxing from Nykaa which I have purchased recently. So before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafts, hand embroidery craft tutorials and cooking related videos and product review videos also. So let's get into the video. And today I have purchased some 3 products from Nykaa. It's two from Mama Earth and one bio oil. So I'm just going to give a review about the Mama Earth packaging about their products. So this is how I received from Nykaa. I faced a cancelling issue in Nykaa because I mentioned different address, and so the delivery was really hectic. I tried to cancel on the app, but still the delivery person tried to deliver, and we had some complications by in canceling the products. So regarding the Nykaa, I face this always. If I want to cancel the product, then it's really difficult. So let's get into this video. So now this is how I received. This is the invoice of all the products that I have purchased from Nykaa. So you'll get this printed sheet about the billing details and all. So next we'll get into the products. So all the products was bubble wrapped and then sealed with a sellotape. So as you can see, this was my first product. So this one is Mama Earth product from Mama Earth. It's a face serum. So this was bubble wrapped with a sellotape. So I will just open all the, I will give the packaging review and all in detail in this video. So this is how I received this face serum. The next one is going to be bio oil. So bio oil, I know many of us are using it. This is basically for stretch marks and for uneven skin tone. So this one especially if you are a pregnant woman and if you want to get rid of those stretch marks, then you can use this oil. This is highly recommended for highly recommended. So I just wanted to give try on this. You can start using it from your second trimester itself for stretch marks. And the third one is going to be baby wipes from Mama Earth. So this is a bamboo based baby product, and nowadays in market we get many bamboo based products for babies. So I just want to give a try for this baby wipe. So I purchased this one. This one is 72 wipes from Mama Earth. So this is what I purchased in Nykaa. So the first one, I will give the review about the packaging of this face serum. This one is a skin plump face serum for ageless skin. So this is the front packaging. It has a little transparent area on the front. So in this side they have mentioned the how to use. You have to just take a few pumps and then rub it over the face in circular motion over the face and the neck. So this one you can both men and women can use this particular product. Above 15 age they can use this product. So all those details was mentioned in this side. On the next side, all the manufacturing details and the price of the product was mentioned. So this one was rupees 599. So you will get free shipping if you order above 500, I guess. So since I ordered 3 products, I got free shipping. So the price for this was rupees 599. And in the side they have mentioned all the ingredients that is present in this product and how to store this product. This basically helps to hydrate the skin, and then basically for hydrating the skin. So this is all about the packaging. So you will have all the ingredients, all ingredients and the direction of use are all mentioned in the packaging. So when you open it, so you will have a tube kind container, small tube kind container with a plastic or top closure. So this is how you will get the product. The same, all the whatever you have seen on the top box, the same thing is printed on the label also. So now this is same label is printed. So when you open this top, I found little product was leaked on the cap of this on the cap. So as you can see, it is just basically a white cream kind, but this one is really very light and it was not too greasy, and I liked it personally. And the fragrance was very mild. It was not too strong or something. It has a mild fragrance in it. So this is how it will look when you apply it on your skin. So regarding the usage, I will just give it in my next, I'll try to give it in my next video, but I'm just using this product for the first time. I just wanted to give an unboxing video only. So this is all about the packaging of this product, and the product is really light, and it's really nice and really handy. You can just carry it. And so this is how the inner packaging was for this product. So this is all about the face serum. Now we'll move on to the baby wipes. So baby wipes, I've used many brands. What I felt was like it was too most of the wipes are synthetic kind, plastic kind, so it it forms rashes for babies. So I generally I don't prefer wipes, so I just stopped using it. I just use warm water with cotton balls, but still I just wanted to give a try for this bamboo wipes. So I picked baby wipes from Mama Earth. So this is how I received, and when you open the seal on top, you will have so this one has 72 wipes in it. So when you open it, you will have some thin sheets of bamboo sheets. The one in other wipes you will have that solution and all. So but this one is not. It does not contain very thick solution or strong fragrance. Also the fragrance also, again, it's very mild fragrance. It has mild fragrance, and it's very thin and very soft and little stretchable, basically like a thin cloth kind. So this is all about the baby wipes, and I like the wipes very much. It's a baby bamboo baby wipes. So for this Republic Day, Nykaa is launching many new offers. So top brands are giving up to 40% offer on their products. So if you want, please go check out. They have many offer for combos also. So you can check out their app to know more about the deals and the other discounts they are giving for this Republic Day. So this is all about the products that I have purchased from Nykaa. So the next one is going to be a product review from Home Center, which I purchased recently. I just bought a milk pot from Home Center. So this one I felt it to be little expensive. So this is how I received the product. It was just packed in a cardboard box and then sealed with sellotape, and all the shipping details was mentioned on top. So once you open the box, you will have all the invoice details printed in this paper, and then it had a single foam sheet on top, and then the product was wrapped in a bubble wrap. It was not sealed with sellotape, it was just wrapped with a bubble wrap. And this is a red color milk pot from Home Center. The price was ₹449 and the shipping was free. But the only thing, the product quality is really good, but I felt it's too tiny. And for milk, you cannot basically use it for larger quantity. Maybe you can just use it to warm small quantity of milk, or for heating the coffee, and you can just use only for that. So it's really tiny, and regarding the quality, it's really good. It has a good thick handle and a heavy vessel. So this is all about this particular product. It's really cute and nice. So in the handle you will have that red color thing. So this is all about this product. You will have the price details at the bottom of this product. So this is all about this video. So these are the products that I purchased recently from Nykaa and Home Center. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to watch my other playlist where I have given tutorials on RE embroidery, hand embroidery, blouse designing and all. So do watch, and thanks for watching this video.